The proposed innovation is a virtual holistic network combining digital platforms with physical spaces to address mental health issues. It offers discrete access to virtual questionnaires, peer support, and expert advice, with the option to progress of face-to-face consultations, therapies, and workshops at each individual's own pace. Case managers and health practitioners will monitor progress and intervene as necessary. This challenges the stigma surrounding mental health by treating it as a collective responsibility rather than a personal failure. The network integrates expertise from psychologists, clinicians, and IT specialists to provide accessible resources, including mood trackers and wellness programs, all within a secure and confidential platform. Benefactors and donors should be solicited for funding the purchase of diagnostic tests for computer systems and the fees of mental health professionals. Targeting youth and students, it aims to improve self-esteem, reduce stress, and address issues like academic pressure and addiction. Clinicians and practitioners, educators shall also benefit from the patient database and case studies. The impact includes healthier school and family environments, reduced healthcare costs, and a generation better equipped to handle life's challenges.